long as it goes well. I hope to go for many more years to come.
Mr. Gupta, wanted to check, is this launch, is it an announcement for you and Trident Group to move into a world of bath fitting, construction, building materials and all of that?
Not really. We're only to the soft like bed sheets, towels, and other thing which are needs as a home textile, not as home, but home textiles.
Are there any future plans you have to enter into that segment?
Not really. I mean, we're totally is a home textile fair. We only is a home textile. Future, God knows.
I would just want to say that I think most people are perceiving them to be very new in this field, which is not true. They've actually been supplying to the best brands all over the world. It's not only in India. In fact, in India, they're trying to venture in India now. Otherwise, they've been there since a long time. They've been supplying the towels and the bed sheets, which probably a lot of people must be using, but they don't realize it's Trident because it's coming from some other brand.
Absolutely. And
some of the towels are being used by the who's of the world, but it's very uneasy for me to name those personalities and those icons. Some of the towels are being made to order or made to design, made to desire to who's of the world, not for India only.
Absolutely. And Trident is a very well-known brand. They're into almost every segment. So that's one of the reasons, I wanted to check whether you're entering this competition of, building materials and
not really,
so on and so forth. No.
So well answered. Could we have our lady out here?
Yeah. Kirti, how long will you go with this association?
How long will I go? As long as it goes well. I hope to go for many more years to come. As they said, we both are young, we both are new, and I hope to kind of grow with them.
Okay, Kirti, as you said, you would not like to talk about your movies, but there are reports you have approached for Sultan. And
I would not like to talk about my movies, but what?
See, could we just a small request?
I'm sorry, this is not really a good platform. So let's just stick to the brand. Let the brand really take the limelight today.
See, ladies, I know you're very excited, but we're not going to be entertaining any more Bollywood questions. I think I'm clear with that. So could we have any more questions? You're welcome.
Thank you. Well, yes, of course. I actually shop for the bed sheets for my room myself, whether it is online or if I see it somewhere. And I prefer a little colors. I prefer little pastel shades and nice bright colors because I think it automatically uplifts your mood. और मेरे लिए मेरे रूम की बेडशीट हो या फिर मेरी वैनिटी वैन की बेडशीट हो या फिर मेरी टॉवल्स हो सब कुछ बहुत कंफर्टेबल और बहुत अच्छी क्वालिटी का होना चाहिए आई थिंक इन चीज़ों के साथ हम बहुत वक्त गुजारते हैं अपने घर में एंड दे डायरेक्टली टच योर स्किन सो इट नीड्स टू बी वेरी सॉफ्ट एंड कंफर्टेबल नीड्स टू बी समथिंग ब्राइट जो आपका मूड अपलिफ्ट कर दे अपने रूम में घुसो तो डल बेडशीट देखकर आई रियली गेट वेरी पुट ऑफ same happens with my vanity van. So I've given my squad boy like a set of nice bed sheets to put in the vanity van whenever I go.
क्या हुआ?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Rolling. कीर्ति टॉवल की बात है आपने एक टाइगर के साथ काम किया है आप शाहरुख के साथ करिए वरुण भी है और जहाँ तक खबरें अप्रोच किया गया है सलमान के साथ तो आप किसको टॉवल में देखना पसंद करेंगे
इसको टॉवल में देखना पसंद है घिनौना चीप क्वेश्चन है ये आई थिंक सबकी ग्रेट बॉडी है सो आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ देम आर गोना लुक रियली हॉट in towels, but yeah, that is a very weird question to answer. I'm sorry to say.
Particular one.
I can gift a towel to all of them. I'm sure towel is something जो सब लोग यूज़ करते हैं और जब अच्छी बॉडी है तो of course flaunt कर सकते हैं.
But mostly कई एक्टर्स हैं जिन्होंने बॉलीवुड में टॉवल डांस किया. हाँ. तो आपको किसका डांस सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद आया? This is a appropriate question.
This is really thank you.
किसका टॉवल डांस पसंद है?
क्योंकि बॉलीवुड में
I remember
काजोल का हो गया सलमान
मोस्ट ऑफ द एक्टर्स हैं जिन्होंने डांस किया है
yeah well I think एक It's like right in my face. 1 second. I think that song of मुझसे शादी करोगी, वो स्टेप हम सबको याद है और हम सब ने कभी ना कभी किया हुआ है किसी ना किसी पार्टी में या विद टावल और चुन्नी और whatever. So I think टावल का बेस्ट यूज वहाँ पे किया गया है.